Inflation has been a hot topic in recent months, with rising prices causing concern among economists and policymakers. The March Consumer Price Index data, set to be released on Wednesday, is eagerly awaited as a critical element in determining the Federal Reserve's monetary policy. In this video, we'll explore what the data is expected to show and what it could mean for the economy. The March Consumer Price Index data, set to be released on Wednesday, is expected to show a further cooling in price increases. The estimated 5.2% annual gain is a slowdown from February's 6% increase, but still significantly above the Federal Reserve's 2% target. The Federal Reserve has been raising interest rates to try to bring down inflation, but the central bank risks sending the economy into a recession by hiking rates too high too fast. As of Monday afternoon, markets were pricing in a 70% chance the Federal Reserve raises rates by another 0.25% in May, according to data from the CME Group. The core inflation, which strips out volatile costs, is expected to remain high due to elevated rent and owner's equivalent rent inflation, which should subside later this year. Bank of America analysts wrote in a note Monday, adding that much of this stickiness stems from elevated rent and owner's equivalent rent inflation, which should subside in the second half of the year. While the data is a critical element in determining the Fed's monetary policy, it follows the latest jobs report, which showed a slowdown in hiring last month. According to data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics released Friday, the U.S. economy added 236,000 jobs in March while the unemployment rate fell to 3.5%. Forecasts from the central bank released last month suggested one additional 0.25% rate increase was likely this year. Our base case is also for a 25 basis point hike in June, although there is a good deal of data to be seen before then, beginning with CPI and retail sales releases. John Canavan, lead U.S. analyst at Oxford Economics, wrote in a note last week. Retail sales data is scheduled for release Friday. The March CPI data is expected to show a further cooling in price increases, but still remain significantly above the Federal Reserve's 2% target. The data will be a critical element in determining the Fed's monetary policy, and could have implications for the economy. We'll keep an eye on the data and update you with the latest developments. Thank you for watching.